there's a new update, everyone! Look, let's see what the board says. The weather is usually cool this time of year, but forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Whoa! Check out the shop to grab fun gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Exclusive We Are VR. Yes, everyone, join 1 PM EDT, I guess. Cosmetics will be in the city store for 24 hours, starting on September 23 at 1 PM EDT. Help us make history. Yes, free cosmetics. Check forest. Oh, the volcano. There's a volcano there. How do you get to it? How do you get to the volcano? Oh! There's a mini volcano down here. Oh! Okay. Balloons? Are these balloons? No, these are rocks. What do they do? What are these for? Do I have to put them in the volcano? Okay. Oh. Do I put them here? Wait. What's gonna happen? Oh! Oh! What's happening? It's getting bigger. Is it gonna erupt? Are the trees gonna burn down? Oh, it's going down, it's going down. I just realized. I need to be quick, I need to be quick. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Okay, well. Oh, it erupted. I just saw that. Oh. What the heck? What's happening? Oh! Oh! There's lava. Oh no! No! No. There's lava. What? What? The floor is lava. No! Oh. It stopped rising. The floor is literally lava. What happens when I touch it? Guys, you're gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it, guys. Guys! Oh, nothing happened. Okay. This is cool. So, if that erupts, then what does that do? Public lobby time. Okay, looks like the lava's already here.
That's a good one.
Okay.
What do you call a
Hey, what happens when you enter the lava in infection mode? Do you turn into a lava monkey?
Why couldn't England play chess? Because they lost their clue. Why couldn't England This is exactly why this lava update sucks, dude.
Wait until the lava goes down. Watch out for the black moon. Nobody knows.
Oh, I'm tagged. Wait, you actually do get tagged. You actually get tagged when you enter the lava. That's so cool. Can you even get to the volcano map? It's probably in beach. Can you get to the volcano map in beach? Whoa! Why is the water pink? Why is it pink? What? Oh, this is some glitch. Is it? Why is it lava now? This has to be a glitch. Lemming, I think you need to fix something. Oh well, now it's back to normal. What? Lemming, you need to fix this. Now I'm blue. Why am I blue? I'm blue. Lemming, you need to fix this. If you're seeing this, you need to fix this. Oh, it's normal. Never mind. I mean, okay. Is there an entrance? Oh, this is still here. Okay. It's on the beach. I think the volcano is just for the decoration. It's just for the decoration. Probably is. Okay, well, let's go check the other maps. I guess we go check canyons. Let's go check out the canyons. Is it only just in forest? I think it's only in forest. Oh. I am now a popsicle again. Oh my. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if I can do a little glitch. God! I'm going down in caves, but now I'm a popsicle again. Oh, nice. What the heck? Why is the water going backwards? What? Why is the water going up here? Wait, is there something sticking out? I don't know. The water's going backwards and the water looks like detextured. Is there any, like, lava? Is there any lava in here? No, just say more caves. Okay. Time for clouds, I guess. Is there anything in the clouds? Maybe you can get the volcano in the clouds. Okay. It doesn't look like it doesn't look like there's anything in clouds. Is it only in forest? I feel like it's only in forest. Okay, time for the mountains map. I'm still a popsicle, but even worse this time. Well, is there at least any new things? Doesn't look like anything's new. Oh. Yeah, I think this is a little glitchy. Alright, so it looks like that is the end of the video. I hope you like this new update and I hope you like the video. I hope I kept you entertained. And if I did, maybe subscribe so you can see more of my videos and you can be even more entertained. Anyways, thanks for watching, like the video, and bye. Have a good day.